are damaged shower tiles causing you stress? Worried about leakages and damages in your shower area? Mr. Handyman offers an affordable, high-quality shower tile replacement service in Tecumseh. We use advanced tools, and our highly trained technicians offer a variety of tool designs. Enhance your bathroom and property value with our robust damage preventive solution. Mr. Handyman's service is impeccable. My shower looks brand new. A satisfied customer. Say goodbye to shower tile worries. Call 405-288-7662 now. Limited slots available for our expert shower tile replacement service. 405-288-7662. Mr. Handyman is committed to revamping your shower space with our reliable, exceptional service. Don't miss this chance to enhance your bathroom. Call Mr. Handyman at 405-288-7662 now and experience the transformation.